Hey, it's Sam with Sam's Garage Sale and CJL Enterprise, and I have some another type of wood crate I want to show you real quick. We just got these in, and we've got a few. These are old landmine boxes, empty of course. See all the markings there. We have a number of these. We're selling these for $15. That does not include shipping. And I'll get you some measurements on this in just a second. And you push this down here, and these will lock in. Kind of like sorry guys, do this one-handed. Let's see if I got that where you can see that at. It's like that. It slides right over like that and around. Little screwdriver, metal, bend real easy to fix. No big deal. They all have nice latches on them, hinges. Get you some measurements here. Inside dimension, about 16 inches this way wide. These partitions, these can come out if you want. So you're going to look at let me see here. About 16.5 inches long on the inside. Again, these partitions, these will slide out like so. If you don't want those in, or if you do want them in, again, it's you can let your imagination run wild. Okay, they have rope handles on the side. Okay, all the original writings on them. And we can ship them just like this, and if we're going to sell these for $15. It does not include shipping. I'm not sure the weight yet on these, and these will ship either to USPS or FedEx. And we will take and put paper on this to block this out. We don't want to ship a package through the Postal Service or through FedEx that says explosive mines on it, even though it's empty and they're marked empty. Just we don't want that issue. So we'll wrap these and shrink wrap them. But the price is $15 without shipping and for local pickup. Nice thing about these two, we found you can take and put 250 cal cans in these. They'll fit just like that. And they close just like that there. You can repurpose these in a majority, a ton of different ways. There you go. Okay, so this is Sam and with CJL Enterprise and Sam's Garage Sale. Check them out. You'll see them online on our website at cjlenterprise.com, or you can come by and pick them up from us locally. Any questions, let us know. Thanks a lot.